today, and we want to make sure that we take everyone with us, right? So if the people who are supplying that bandwidth and supplying the liquidity are going to be such a crucial part of our network, like we can start doing that today, right? They're the first people in, they should be rewarded first, not waiting until later when the product's launched, and we start, you know, getting publishers and agencies and all that kind of stuff on board. So, and it will help people kind of get the mindset of how we're thinking about this. This is, you know, there's essentially all this liquidity and all this bandwidth that we need to gather. So we may as well do it early doors and make sure that, you know, we have a solid basis before we go to publishers and agencies, because we're only going to get one shot at that. So the network needs to be bulletproof before that. And the way that we're going to do that is by rewarding people for, you know, staking their ads tokens, their DAG, so the bandwidth and the liquidity that we need to actually build the product later on.
We start to see that a lot of our intention in building out L0 tokens and attaching business logic to an L0 token means, hey, if you're going to build an L0 token or project on Constellation, you need to supply liquidity and you need to attract that. And what Alkimi is doing right now is creating really the attractiveness between node operators, DAG holders to say, hey, we have a viable business opportunity. This is our rewards model. This is how we're going to scale. This is how we're going to produce revenue, those traditional things that we don't ever talk about in crypto, and put it all together and do that work up front versus figuring it out later.